how to use Twitch channel points hidden trick. To use this channel points hidden trick, you can use these third-party applications that are free. So what you can do is simply open the browser itself, then head to the search bar, then type in tts.monster. Now once you're in this site, you should be able to connect your Twitch channel to this. So simply tap on this get started option, then log in or register to this option will be available to you. Select the Twitch option. Then once you're there, simply log in with your credentials. As you can see, all you have to do is tap this authorize option. And once you do this, you simply have to head towards the Twitch itself. Now, once you are in this Twitch application, you simply have to head to your profile or this channel option, access this setting icon, look at it on the top left. From there, you should be able to find another option called Creator Dashboard. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, if you have previously gone live or if you have had your videos over here, you should be able to find the option called Viewer Rewards Channel Points and head to the Manage Rewards and Challenge option. And from there, you simply have to create a custom reward called the TTS message and click the box that says require viewer to enter text. Once you do so, all you have to do is set a high point cost to prevent the spam, and once you do so, your chat will be lively even on your streams. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.